Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing. It is not the first year that rumors have been circulating on the network about the successor to the compact smartphone iPhone SE, which is expected to get modern hardware. However, the official announcement has not yet been made. Internet sources report that the novelty can get the commercial name of the iPhone mini. In terms of design of the front panel, the smartphone will allegedly be similar to the iPhone XS model. In particular, it is said that there is a cutout in the screen for sensors of the user identification system on the Face ID face. The design of the rear panel and the size of the novelty will be similar to the iPhone SE. The smartphone will be released in 3 colors: silver, gold, and gray. The device is also credited with protection against water and dust according to the IP67 standard. iPhone mini should get a 5-inch Super Retina OLED display with a resolution of 2080 x 960 pixels, a single-chip A12 Bionic system, a 12-megapixel main camera with an f/1.8 aperture that will support 4K video at 60 fps and 1080p video recording at 240 fps. As for the cost, such an iPhone will go on sale at a price of $849 for the version with 64 GB of memory, $949 for 128 GB and $1,099 for the version with 256 GB of memory. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.